from Elmira. Strapped inside of car 27 will be Jared LaRock from Elmira. Inside car 63 will be Damon Davies from Waterloo. Driving car 46 will be Hope Hickman from Williamson. Inside car number 11 will be Darwin Michelson from Elmira. In the 34 car will be Gary Eaton from Elmira. Driving car number 45 will be Tanner Fox from Macedon. In the 42 vehicle will be Todd Byrne from Marion. Driving car 25 will be Don Van Eck from Williamson. Inside car number 4, looks like we got 2 4s, will be Matt Johnson from Macedon. In the number 9 will be Elijah Hicks from Canandaigua. Strapped inside car number 7 will be Blake Swiseman from Henrietta. Driving car number 5 will be Joe Williams from Marion. In number 6, that will be driven by Dave Prince from Fairport. And the number 51 will be Joe Prince from Macedon. And rounding out our 20-car field, inside car number 15 will be Kevin Carrier from Brockport. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our heat run drivers a welcome here to the fair tonight.
Got jeans on the bottom?
Yeah. I think it's ice.
Now again, as I did say, these are our 4-cylinder compact vehicles.
Got a couple taillights out.
I'm filming.
Last man standing.
Yeah, can you hold the popcorn? I'll let you have half the bag because it's. I gotta get this on film.
Now what we're going to be doing here, you guys are all going to have to help me here. Our head official down on the track here is going to ask a couple of our drivers to pull forward or backwards for our best appearing vehicle in heat number 1, and we'll score them on our sound meter. So when we get doing that, ladies and gentlemen here on the stage, please no cheering over here. Throws the meter out of whack at me. Just the people in the grandstands when we get ready to go here. Alright, looks like he's got what? He's got 1, 2. Anybody else? Forward or backwards? Alrighty.
Yeah, it is fun to watch.
Alright, we're going to start way down to your left-hand side there. Alright, who likes car number 2? Alright, now we'll move on to car number 4. Alright, now we'll move into the middle. Car number 4. Now we'll go down here to the red, white, and blue 42. And last but not least, we'll do car number 9.
$2.99. Where is it? That's wrong.
Oh. And we'll do down here car number 11.
I don't know where these cars are. Oh, there it is.
Alright, looks like our winner. Your winner is going to be best appearing car for heat number 1, car number 42. If you want to please go back into position.
I'll come back next year. I'll bring it on top though. I see it now.
Drivers, if you would, please check your chin straps. Make sure they're secured to your helmets. Also check your seatbelts, make sure they're secured inside the car, and as always, driver, watch the driver door hits. They are illegal and you may be disqualified.
No driver's side.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready over there to help get her going? The crowd's ready. 5 to the word go. 5.
I say go.
3, 2, 1.
Go, Mother! Oh, 20, bang it away. Here, the 2014 Wayne County Board. Heavy as they move right along here at the fair. We've got a rollover. Our officials are down on the track. They're going to check our driver, make sure he's okay. Yes, he is. Our driver is okay. We've got our fireman over there. I'm trying to get a number on the car here.
But still, look at that dent. Could that really happen? That's it? That's all the damage it did?
Kind of back up. There we go. That's car number 9 out there right now. Car number 9, that's Elijah Higgs from Canandaigua. Oh, they're going to give him the old heave-ho and run him back over on all 4. There he goes. Now, if he wants to jump back in there, if he can get the old girl fired back up, he will be allowed to do so, and in he goes. Make sure you strap that seatbelt up.
That's us next year, Jeff. Yeah. I'll be the pit crew, right?
That Mark's truck.
That's the first rollover I've seen yet this year.
I hope it'll make it.
Got a little smoke. A little smoke is off. He's kind of good. All right, so he's got her going. All right, gonna need your help. 3 to the word go this time once we get the go ahead from the officials down on the track.
That was awesome. I got me popping.
That's weird how it worked.
That one.
I hit just right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
What's that?
3.
Bumper?
There he goes, number 9. Still cruising away. Smashing and bashing, lots of action going on. Car number 9 taking a piece out of that 4 car. Number 2 coming out, looking to make a hit. 63. Moving his competition around. There's action all over the track here. It's Elmira tonight. comes the third.
Revving it the whole time.
Now the door panel has ripped off the 51 car. That was one down on the south end of the track.
They give him time limit.
We're gonna back it. You can see right through there.
Oh, we still got about in. 9 of them still in the action. Here comes 9 again. Rear wheels aren't spinning on the back end of that one. 6 is still rolling. 2 cars got himself out of trouble over on the infield side. Here comes the 27. We're going down to the last vehicle, moving and hitting. So we've got 4, 6, 9, 2, 27, and 14.
It's crazy how good they actually make these cars.
That's the 4.
To handle that.
I mean,
Missed his shot there.
I don't know what would be better.
Maybe
Stay
help
away.
out the 46.
Try to last longer to stay away.
I think.
Still banging away, so what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's certain amount of time to make contact.
7 or 8 of them still moving out there, out of 20.
It's real pop.
And he used to be able to push it right out.
Well, then you'd be right out.
We got 2, 6. Now looks like the 4 car having transmission problems. 34 still rocking away.
Woo!
We got 27 and 6 and 2 down on the south
Oh,
end.
I wasn't filming.
Got flat tires.
Hold up drivers 1 moment. Got a small fire under the hood of the 7 car. Driving that 7 car, that's Blake Schwansman from Henrietta.
Oh, this is getting
Driver
tiring.
is okay, out of the
Holding up
car.
my hand.
He will be
But when
allowed
I
to.
left,
Now
I was
doesn't
just
look
like,
like he wants to get
woo!
back in.
I want some of this.
I've seen people roll out of the car with sleeves on fire and everything else. Yeah.
They're going to get that hood opened up, spray a little foo-foo juice under the hood, get that fire put out.
Did you just say foo-foo juice?
Walking Dead.
This camera already has a better picture than I thought it would.
So at last count, we
It's still
had
full
7 or
battery.
8 of them still rolling away here. Looks like we're good to go just about. We'll get our
Look at-
official
oh, there's a
back on
frozen
the
thing
track
going.
here. All right, let's have a big round of applause for our fire department.
I can't clap!
All righty, thanks gang. Help me out with our countdown. 3,
No!
go brothers! Up and at 'em. Up and at 'em, and here we go. Now we got the 63 getting himself down off the track here.
Where's the
Look at that, all the
34?
front tires. Looks now, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got about 6 of them. Well, down to the last one, moving and heading down on the track. 6 of them left, moving and hitting, and that's the key. You gotta be moving and hitting out there. You can't be sitting there. Now we got the 2 trying to get himself restarted. 31's up and rolling. 6 cars going good. 27's okay. 63's rolling. Oh! And 34 took a piece out of the 63.
Driving around the circle. Look at all this going around.
Now we're down to, looks like about 4 of them. Down to 4 left. Right.
Good hit there. It's all over the place.
That might have been the end of the 63 on that one.
It's all like you gotta run it again.
Sounds like something like on that one. 51 and the 34 hung up over there. Down here on the north end, got the 27. 27, 51, and 6. And limping along on the infield side here. Here comes row 51. Oh. Down to 3, the officials say. So we've got 51. Car number 6. And the 27. 3 left. 51, 27, and 6 going to the last one. We're looking for first and second place.
Back end, or you give
All right, 6 taking a little piece out of the 51.
Yeah, I got thrown too much on that.
Lots of something loose underneath the hood of the 51. Throwing some sparks under there, all kinds of stuff happening. Now 6 is on the official's clock. He is rolling away here. 51, transmission problems. Can't get her going. Looks like we might be down to our final 2 here. That's gonna do it right there. We've got our first and second place. Car number 6 and 27. 6 and 27. Now again, these drivers will qualify for Saturday night's championship event. Again, they are going to have a full-size vehicle for that though. Little compact cars will get kind of smushed.
Yeah, when
It's like all you need is a helmet and a suit.
Yeah. But we had to do one for Saturday night. We had to go out. We had like 3 days to go out.
All right, so we're going to need car number 6.